thinking about what focus is. Well, focus is how clearly the paper presents and maintains a main idea. It's just as simple as that. We're finding one main idea and we're trying to present it in the clearest possible way. So what is focus not? What would be a non-example of focus? Oh, well, let's watch this little video and find out.
I was recently named the most overrated celebrity by the Guinness Book of Records. And I'm really excited and really proud. Overrated means when you're so rated, they can't just say she's rated. She's so rated, she's overrated. For fashion, I have a lot of good ideas. It just kind of sucks because, like, a lot of the good ideas are already taken. Like pants and, you know, like. Okay, like if you have your license suspended and you're not supposed to be driving, then, like, don't drive, okay? Because you could totally get in trouble. Unless, you know, it's like a really important reason.
I hope you loved that little parody of Paris Hilton. It's not really her, of course, but I certainly thought it was funny to think about random thoughts and what that might be like. So let's again think about what focus is. It's how clearly the paper presents and maintains a main idea. But it also means this: staying tight on the topic. That means you don't go all over the place and get on these little rabbit trails. And you have a strong focus statement in your introduction. It maps out what it is you're trying to say. And you have an opinion that can be proved. So let's take an example. This is a topic that you may see on an FCAT Writes test, which is explain why soda machines should or should not be allowed at school. So what do you think our friend Paris Hilton might like to say about this? Well, maybe Paris's paper would look something like this. You know, soda machines are usually bad for the school, but sometimes they're really good to have. Okay, Paris, you have to pick one side or the other. You can't do it both. The topic was explain why soda machines should or should not be allowed at school. And so often we see students who want to try to prove both sides. And you don't have enough paper to try to prove or share both sides of the story. You can only choose one. Here is a student from Dowdell who focused on this exact same question. And this is what she wrote for her focus statement. There is no question that soda machines should not be allowed at Dowdell Middle School because soda is unhealthy for students and the mess caused from spills and pests will damage our school. This student had no question in her mind what she was going to write about, and she even says that. She chose the side that soda machines should not be allowed at Dowdell Middle School. Now, did she believe it? Well, we don't really know, but it doesn't even matter. She didn't have to believe it to write about it. She chose one side, she made two strong arguments about it, and she wrote to persuade. Again, it's how clearly the paper presents and maintains a main idea. That's one main idea. Thanks for joining us today, and as your bell work, what we'd like for you to do now is reflect on this question. Why is it important for you to have focus in your writing? Again, why is it important for you to have focus in your writing? Thanks for thinking about that, and I know I'll see you around campus. Bye!